Hello, Vettsy babes! Ready for an instant island getaway? The August box has landed, and it's giving full goddess energy. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's crack this beauty open and see every single Greek treasure waiting inside. These cat-eye gels pull light like a magnetic field, rich buttery pigment for a flawless, salon-grade finish. This one paints like liquid metal, ethereal fluid textures with a soft satin glow. It shines like a polished shell, smooth and bright. Raw magnetic powder to create your own celestial shimmer. These sparkle like sunlit summer water, sharp geometric crystals reflecting a spectrum of colors. These flakes float like soft, weightless clouds, playful and sculptural. A little whimsy for your nails. Crinkled metallic texture for an antiqued, crackled effect. They look exactly like tiny, juicy 3D water droplets. These chains catch light from every angle. Time to add some heavy Baroque drama to your nails. No more accidentally cured brushes. This holder is a lifesaver. Making custom 3D charms just got so much easier. This deep blue gem is absolutely breathtaking. Wearing this to ward off bad vibes during your mani. Painting your tips on this feels like pure golden hour. Keeps your plates clean, flat, and organized. Instant, intricate graphics without the freehand stress. Grease on a magnet? Cutest little studio keepsake ever! And that's a wrap on the ultimate grease haul. Every single item is an absolute 10 out of 10, but seeing them in the jars is just the beginning. Ready for some major nail inspo? Set 1. Seaside Petals. Layer jelly white gel for a sheer base. Outline a crisp blue arc along the smile line. Fill the edge and cure. Rub chrome powder onto the nail until a pearl sheen appears. After curing the top coat, place flower stickers and press flat. Finish with top coat. Cure one last time. Set 2. Golden Baroque. Brush on a thin layer of white gel, then scatter some flakes freely near the top and bottom of the nail. Carefully center the vintage stickers onto the middle of the nail. Next, streak on some pearl ink, then cure again. Drop the gold chain randomly on one side, tweak its position and cure. Wrap it all up with a glossy top coat and cure. Set 3. Nebula Flare. Paint black gel as the base. Coat the nail with a layer of cat-eye gel. Hover a magnet around the nail to push the golden shimmer, then cure. Place a golden sun sticker over the nail, then press it smooth and flat. Finish with a glossy top coat. Set 4. Blush Pixie Dream. Layer jelly white gel evenly. Apply pink cat-eye gel and blend the edge upward to create a smooth gradient. Use magnets to pull the shimmer into a crisp French style, then cure immediately. Arrange the crystals and colorful beads neatly over the gel, then cure once positioned. Complete this dreamy set by sealing everything with top coat. Ready to bring the magic of Greece straight to your fingertips? Don't wait. Secure your August box today before it sails away forever.